Hello and welcome to another trading and investing for beginners stocks happening tutorial. Now today we're going to be taking a look at all of this. Looks pretty complicated, right? But don't worry, we're going to explain it in the most simple terms possible. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to take a look at Nike. So first of all, we're going to search and we're going to bring up Nike at the top here. So you can see Nike, the name of the company. Now, NYSE is where it trades. So it trades on the New York Stock Exchange. And NKE is called the ticker code. So if you search for NKE, it's a globally recognized ticker code for Nike. So we're going to click on it and we're going to bring up all of the information for Nike. So there we have again the ticker code up there, NKE. First of all, we've got the price at close. So this is the price when the market closed on Friday, which was 102.71. So it was up 1.41% on the previous day. We've also got after hours here, which it relates to trading after the market is closed. So it's gone up a little bit to 102.75. So that means a share is $102.75. Now we're going to come down here and look at some more information. We've got the open, which is $104. So that means on Friday, it opened at $104. High is the high throughout the day. So it got up to 104.69. Low is the lowest point of the day. So on Friday, the lowest was 102.12. Volume is the number of trades that exchange hands in the day. So here it's 8.364 million, and they can work out an average volume as well, which tells you kind of the average daily number of trades exchanged. PE over here is price to earnings ratio. Now it's a way to value a company by comparing the price of a stock to its earnings. So you divide the price of a share by the earnings per share amount, and you get the price to earnings ratio. It's a good way to sort of see how the company is doing and compare it to some of its competitors. Now the market cap down the bottom here, that is basically the number of outstanding shares that shareholders hold times by the stock price up here. So it's that number times by the number of shares and you get the result down here. 52-week high, which is here, is the highest price that the stock made in the past 52 weeks. Now bear in mind they calculate this on the prices at the end of the day, so when the market closes, and 52-week low is also the lowest that it was. So the lowest at the market close over the last 52 weeks was $60. The average volume, again, just relates to what we were talking about with the volume, so that's over the year. Now yield up here at 0.97%, that basically tells you the earnings generated and realized on an investment over a particular period of time. So it kind of looks at the increase and the decrease, the increase or the decrease of the price of a stock, as well as any dividends that they may pay out. So it's a kind of a good way of working out what your investment could get you, and it's usually worked out over an annual period. So over a period of a year, you might be looking to get around 0.97% on your investment. The beta here is 0.81. Now, the beta basically tells us how volatile a stock is in comparison to other stocks in general. So 1 means it's kind of the stock moves more or less in line with the market. More than 1 means it's more volatile in general than the market. And less than 1 means it's less volatile than the market. So at the moment they're saying it's a bit less volatile than the average for the market. So it's moving up and down a bit less than other stocks in general. And finally, the EPS is the earnings per share. And that one is a company's net profit divided by the number of outstanding shares of its community stock. And as we were saying earlier, you use that to also work out the price to earnings ratio as well. Now this chart here is kind of charting the way things have gone. So the market on Friday was up 1.41%, so it's all green. So it's got the price throughout the day, and you can sort of track where the shares went, if they went up or down, and what was happening throughout the day. You can also look at other things, so you can look at the past week and see over the past week of trading, it's kind of come up, gone down, then come back up. You can look over the past month, you can look over the past 3 months, all the way to all time. So you can look at very first when it started trading, bring it all the way up, right the way till now. So it's basically just a good way to see what the stock is doing, what the stock has been doing, and where it may go. So for example, if we looked at the past 6 months, there would probably be a decrease during the coronavirus lockdowns. Most stocks at the moment are showing this kind of really sharp decrease around this period of time. You'll probably see it more starkly if you bring it onto a year or even 2 years. You can see the big drop as well. So at the moment, everything is coming back up, and these kind of longer averages are a good way to see overall where the stock is at. I hope that all made perfect sense to you, and I hope that's made things seem a lot clearer. Plenty more trading and investing for beginners videos to come. If you like what you're seeing, then please do give us a like, give us a subscribe, and also leave a comment as well. Until next time, see you later.